Hey guys, how's it going? It's Mary RC with Makeup Artist Biz, and I posted that fun little meme that said, "Chase the vision, not the money." And it came to me because, well, one, I saw that cute little picture of that girl on stock photo, and I was like, okay, I gotta use my money on this one. So she was so cute. Anyway, what do I mean by that? Why would I tell people not to chase the money? She's crazy, right? Well, I think you got to be a little bit crazy to stay in this industry. Sorry, Facebook puts up these little tips, I'm just it distracts me. Let me stop being distracted. Having a really bad hair day. My hairstylist is coming to get my hair all together. So, anyway. So why aren't we chasing money? I mean, we all want to make more money, right? I mean, that's the whole point of Makeup Artist Biz is let's make some more money. Well, here's the thing. What does chasing money mean? How I see chasing money is a little bit different than I think a lot of people do. When I feel like when you are charging so very little for client services, you are chasing money. You are chasing money if you are trying to do anything you can to get the person in your chair. If you start chasing money, you will do things like undercut your fellow artists. That is chasing money. When you demean or talk badly of the local artists in your area, you are chasing money because you're trying to get their work, right? But the big thing is the super low prices, like this $35 a face thing that is going on. No. You are just chasing money. And here's the thing. When you chase money, money runs from you. It wants to be chased. But if you are chasing your vision, and your vision is to be a successful, profitable makeup artist and have a profitable business, then you need to chase the vision, not the money. The money will come if you are passionate. I'm a huge believer in that. Huge believer in that. And I want to tell you a little story. That's right, Marilyn. That is a great little quote there. Marilyn says, "Never buy your work." That is awesome. I love that. I'm going to tell you a story about my brother-in-law. He is the perfect example of follow your passion and the money will follow you. So he grew up this little scrappy boy, loved being outdoors all the time, never wanted to come inside, played in a pond, and he loved fish in Arizona. And he actually had pet trouts in a little pond on his parents' property where he would go and play with these trout who would actually let him pick them up. Crazy, right? Like, I thought fish had no memory and no brains and they didn't know anything, but he would say otherwise. Anyway, loved fish, loved Arizona, just that was his passion. So he became a biologist. And who would think that fish would ever generate any kind of an income, right? So he became one of the best fish biologists of endangered species in the Grand Canyon. He actually saved an endangered species called the humpback chub. You could Google it. And he became world-renowned for ridding native waters of invasive species of fish without killing the native fish. I know it's sort of complicated. However, he supports his family. He does what he loves. He works with fish every day of his life. And he is super successful because he followed his vision, followed his passion, and he loves his life. Like, how amazing is that? So clearly he didn't chase the money, but the money followed him. So we as makeup artists need to keep that in mind, that we really need to keep on track with our vision. We need to Okay, I want to be a successful makeup artist. What does success mean? Success means that you make people feel great, you make pretty all the time, you get to do what you love, you get to work in television, you get to work in film, you get to have your work printed in magazines, you get to see beautiful images. That is success. And being able to support yourself is a success too. You're not going to be able to do any of those things if you are charging $35 a client. That's never going to happen. You're chasing money. You're not chasing the vision. If your vision is to be a successful makeup artist, then you need to chase the right day rates. You need to stop undercutting people. You need to network with other artists, not piss them off by undercutting them. So keep that in mind, okay? Chase the vision. Don't chase the money. That is my message for you today. So if you agree with me, I implore you to share this video and invite any of your other makeup artist friends to join us in our group, Makeup Artist Biz, and let's help educate people who don't understand. And if you are in my group and you see people who are charging less, let's teach them, not berate them. Let's not have them running away with their tail between their legs, feeling horrible that they've done something wrong because the chances are they just did not have the knowledge or the education. And there are so many of you out there who have wonderful businesses in this industry and have so much to contribute, and the only way we can change the landscape is to get our shovels out and start, fixing the problems that are there. So let's work together, and I'll see you guys later. I'll see you in the group, and I'm working on some additional content for you guys, and it's going to be good stuff. Talk to you guys later. Have a wonderful day.